Hey guys, today I'm going to be cooking some trout that I caught, and I invite you to come along with me because I'm going to be trying something new and I'm curious how it's going to turn out. Let's get to it. All right, so here are my 4 trout, and we're going to keep this really nice and simple. I'm going to do that by adding a little butter to the inside of this bad boy. So I'm just going to take little slices of butter off right here, and I'm basically going to line the inside of this trout with this butter. All right, so probably like one little, I'm thinking like half a tablespoon per fish, or at least with this fish, it's bigger fish. All right, just sliding that in there, just like that. Doesn't have to look pretty. You know what? I think I'm gonna go a little less than half a tablespoon. You know, sometimes I will stuff this thing with vegetables. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna keep this thing super simple. And the thing that I'm going to try that I've never tried before is the Zatarain's Creole seasoning. I've used this on things like catfish, crappie, and striper, and it's been delicious. I've never tried it on trout, and I'm curious how this is gonna turn out. So how I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna open this thing up. I may have to redo this butter. It's probably gonna fall all over the place. That's all right. Just sprinkle a little bit in there at a time. Not too much. The stuff is pretty powerful in the flavor category. This thing has got a lot of good flavor. I absolutely love this seasoning. Shoot, I've even put this stuff on my eggs for breakfast before. All right, there we go. Like that, and then I'm going to sprinkle some on the outside as well. That side. Flip it over, do the other side. Could also just do salt and pepper if you wanted to keep it really simple. There we go. Move you over here to the edge of the paper, Mr. Trout. Start wrapping it like this. Go, and then I'll fold the ends a little bit. And then really try to make sure that this edge of the tinfoil stays shut, but it should stay shut once I got the ends rolled up. All right. Oops. That one's coming undone. Let's tighten it up a little bit. Bam. Smash it down and make sure it stays down. All right, let's do the other 3. I got my charcoal going. Now I'm going to wait a little while for it to heat up. Coal is ready to go. Let's lay them out. Be real careful not to burn myself. Spread these around a little bit, even out this heat. Grill temp is at about 350, which I think is going to work just fine. So go ahead and place the fish on the grill. Let her cook for a little while. All right. Now we wait. I've been on there for about a half an hour now, and I flipped them over a few times. Let's see. All right, got my thermometer on. Let's run this thing in here and give it a temp check here. I'm sure they're at temp probably. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're right at. Let's just, you know what, for the sake of just making sure we're good. Oh yeah, these things are right at about 200 degrees. All right, let's get them off. Now let's open it up and give it a look-see. Oh man, that is juicy. I can already feel the butter and juices of that trout flowing out of it. All right. Oh yeah, that thing is falling apart. Oh yeah, look at that. That is looking really good. Just take a piece of them off here, try to. That was really good. That is really good. Yeah, I think the Zatarain's seasoning really turned out really well. But there you have it, guys, my makeshift on-the-fly trout recipe. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to check out others on my channel, I'll leave you a couple options to pick from right here. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.